I need to talk about this. Lately, I really cannot find any motivation. I think this is normal. Yung for the go ka palagi, tapos you find yourself in a situation wherein you just got tired and you just wanna sit down and downtime. So, like today, nagbihis ako kasi parang may gagawin ako pero parang na-stuck na lang ako dito sa beanbag. Parang I found comfort in sitting down and just resting. Parang lately, sobrang daming ganap. And I wanna take time to rest and think through. Especially after the earthquake, maisip mo na what do you really like to do? There's a lot of victims. Paano ba yun? Is life unfair? Is it part of the plan? Yung mga ganong mga thoughts na parang never mo ma-imagine before, no? Kasi before parang ginagawa mo lang yung gusto mong gawin. Tapos ngayon parang, okay, life must go on. But it's easy for people to say that if they're not in a situation wherein they're caught in different circumstances at the same time. Ano yung parang sunod-sunod na parang hindi natatapos. So, ikaw na lang, upo ka na lang, ganyan. Just watch things and pause and think through. So, wherever you are, I hope you're doing well. And I just want to tell you that it's okay, that we can get through this. And let's hope for the better. And especially during this time, everything is really unpredictable. I'm not an expert, so I cannot make comments about other things. Yeah, that's it. Take care.